just gone to the yacht tour, so that's the entrance. Also gonna get some information what's happening next. But yeah, seeing you on the yacht, I guess. Going through security. It's funny enough there's no information like what's happening, just following this tour guide. But yeah, I can see already some bolts and everything. So I hope it's gonna be pretty some delay at the security. Yeah, literally just following one guy. The tour guide is not very talkative. He's like, just follow him, I think. See some shops. Like an ordinary tourist place where you spend the money and they expect you to spend it with more. Okay, you can see the boats, the planes flying above. Some drink shops, a fair market, some straw market, whatever, the drinks. Local people. We just keep going, keep walking towards our boat. Hope it's not going to get too crowded because the houses are going to be too crowded. The music's everywhere. I wish they have to talk like non-stop so I don't get like copyright on it because YouTube is quite strict regarding that. The ATM's here, which is quite good, but another ATM. Obviously, most of these ATMs they charge you like 400 Egyptian, which is about like $4 to $8. Nobody wanna pay that. Some cafe, some the drinks. Then there's some boats. I guess we're just gonna go on one of them boats.
بانوراما
Sharm Plaza. It's really funny how like on one side you got all them boats, on the other side you got like a mountains of nothing, like just the sun. So it's like in the middle of nowhere. I guess in the daytime this place would have been like very much more like, you know, I could see more, but at this point you can't see nothing except the lights. Literally which one we are boarding right now. Most of them look packed already. That's not Sharm. This one?
The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. need you to listen, I need you to hear. And don't show.
Can I have this? Yeah, please so. That's enough. That's enough. Just one, yeah? Awesome, thank you very much. That's it, no more, thank you. Ribka fish, yes, please.
Chicken?
Some, no, just shrimps and chicken, please.
Thank you.
No, everything.
Crevetki, yes, that's shrimps. Crevetki and chicken, yes. Thank you very much. Yep, I'm calling you.
Atkal es sēdīšu zemi un jūs ēdīsiet lobsteru sapņojiet.
Это лобстер. Хорошо, брат? Да, спасибо огромное. Я вас того не видел.
Спасибо. Dievs, cik viņš ir liels.
Right, departing from my hotel back to England. Booked the taxi. The guy, the hotel said $15 to get to the airport, which is just too much. I got here. Yeah, the local taxi driver said $6 to get to the airport. Put myself in drive. 130 Egyptian pound, which is about $2.60 or so. Walking to the barrier so he can pick me up, because with the in-drive they don't let the in-drive drivers in. They let the taxi drivers in, but in-drive is like a private sort of a thing, like an Uber. If you're walking there, then just getting to the airport, getting back to UK. Oh, that's pretty nice. Could have stayed for extra couple of days, but it is what it is. 3 minutes.